With Beae Page Builder, you can get up and running in minute, not month. Welcome to Beae 3.0. Create pages with templates in seconds. Rich styling options. Adjust to the highest detail. Drag and drop. And so much more. Today, you will know how to get up and running quickly with Beae by creating a conversion-optimized homepage so you can confidently craft any layout you can imagine. First, you need to install the Beae app to your Shopify store if you haven't done so. Once installed, let's take a quick tour of the Beae app. The Manage Pages tab lists all pages you build with Beae. The Business Growth tab provides powerful features to optimize your sales like A/B testing, analytics, and information about upcoming feature. Create campaigns to boost your sales in the A/B testing tab. Connect your Google Analytics account in the Analytics tab. View all our plan details in the Pricing Plans tab. This is also the place where you can upgrade your plan. Configure Beae settings in the Settings tab. Every store needs a homepage, so let's create one. Go to Manage Pages. On the right side, hit Add New. When the window appears, choose Homepage and click Create Page. A new window will appear offering two options. You can build the page completely from scratch or use one of our templates. The Beae's template library is filled with conversion-optimized templates and pre-made sections to give you a great starting point. You can see Beae provides template for every industry, so no matter which kind of store you want to build, we got you covered. Since I'm creating a clothing store, I'll choose the Clothing and Fashion category. I'll hit Preview Template to see how it looks in detail. Perfect. To customize this template, hit the Use This Template at the top right corner. The Beae editor will now open with the template. This is where real magic happened, but before we get into that, let's take a quick tour of the Beae editor. When you first open the Beae Page Builder, on the left side panel will be the navigator where you can see the structure of the page. Drag the handle icon of any element or section to position it like I'm doing here. Below that is the Pages tab, where you can navigate between pages in your store quickly. Next is the Theme tab, allows you to set global setting for your store. You can configure styling for typography, colors, spacing, and common elements like button and even animation. Any styling changes made in the theme will apply to elements across all your pages. The Template tab is where you can open the template window. On the right panel, you can change the content of the currently selected element. You can customize everything you can imagine. Font size, color, padding, and more. The possibilities are limitless. Now let's start customizing our page. Let's start by changing the headline. Simply click to select the headline on the screen, then put in your own headline in the Content tab. I'll adjust styling of the sub-headline. Adjust spacing between each element by simply dragging the purple area. Change the background color and text of the button. I'll replace the preview images from the template with my own images. What if you want to display products in your home page? The product list block helps you do just that. This section already have the product list block in place. To display products, select the product list. On the right, hit Delete All to delete the preview collection. After that, hit Select Collection and simply choose the collection you want to display its product. I'll continue customize the page. Delete a section by simply select it and hit the delete icon. I'll delete the hotspot section as well. Now you can see the countdown section is very close to the section below it. Let's add some padding to the countdown section. Simple select it and drag the green link icon. Once you have the page like the way you wish, on the top right corner, hit Save. Give your page a name. After that, hit Save and don't forget to hit Publish. Let's see our page in action by hitting the View Page button. You can see how easy it is to create this beautiful page. Start building, optimizing, and selling more with Beae Page Builder. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.